Want to learn how to delete your Tellonym app's account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on this gear icon on the top right corner. Scroll down. On the bottom, you can see an option of More. Just above Logout. Tap on More. Scroll down. On the bottom, you can see an option of Delete Account. Tap on Delete Account. You can see that if you're sure you want to delete your account, it will be deactivated and deleted afterwards if you do not log in within 30 days. So make sure to not log in until 30 days and your account will be permanently deleted. Tap on Yes, I'm sure. So you can see that just by doing it, you have successfully deactivated your Tellonym account. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.